Hi and welcome to another Excel video. In this one we're talking about Excel interview questions, and in this particular video we're talking about the Format Painter. And this is one of my favorite tools. It saves me so much time and hassle, and it's just a super awesome way to make your spreadsheets look nice and clean and orderly and well formatted quickly. So without further ado, let's dive into an example. And this probably looks familiar to you if you've been following along in the other videos, but it's probably a little different than it's looked before. We obviously have our purchase date, our customer name, flavor, quantity, price, and total, but some of the formatting in here is kind of gross, and it makes it not fun to look at. For example, these dates here are in italics, whereas these are not. We have some names over here that are in smaller font. We have some numbers here that are left justified instead of right justified. And if you're not aware of this, numbers by default and kind of as a rule need to be right justified in Excel, whereas text is left justified. It just makes things clearer. These things are missing their dollar signs. And you're going to get data like this all the time. And here's the quick way to clean it up, assuming that you already have some formatting that you like. So again, this formatting I like, this is what I want. And I can just click on one of these and I can go to this magic little tool, the Format Painter right here. And you just click on the Format Painter. And what that does is it grabs the formatting from that cell. You can even see there's a plus sign and a brush. Imagine it's loading up the brush with this format, and then I get to paint that format onto wherever I want it to go. So I just click and drag over these and release, and like magic, it creates the same formatting in those cells. And I can do the same down here. I'll just click on this one, click Format Painter, drag and paste over that, and it adds that format to that, and so on and so forth. It's really that easy and that quick. Just like that, click on the one with the dollar sign, go to Format Painter, paint it on, boom. And just like that, I've fixed this entire spreadsheet. You could do the same with this stuff. If these for some reason are like the wrong font and the wrong size, you could go spend forever trying to click on this, go up here, say, okay, it's Calibri 14 bold, and then go back over here and change this to Calibri and 14 and bold. But instead, just click here, grab that format, paste it over, release, and it's done. Okay? Super awesome. That's really all there is to say about the Format Painter, but it is such a cool tool. So I hope you'll use it a bunch, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.